Hello viewers, today as usual we are going to continue with our mathematical classes, particularly in trigonometry, as I promised that in our effort to provide solutions or mathematical backing or mathematical calculations or computations behind special angles. We are today going to look at 45 degree as one of the special angles. Don't forget that we have 0, 30, 60, 45, we also have 90, all are special angles. So today we are going to look at 45 degree as special angle. But don't forget to subscribe before watching my video, because I upload video almost every day, and no matter what, you will definitely benefit in one way or the other. Thank you so much. So now, solution. So since we are dealing with trigonometry, and trigonometry means triangle, so we are going to see an isosceles right angle triangle. From the name implies, this triangle has two characteristics. Let's call it A, B, and C. It has two characteristics. Isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles means the two sides of the triangle are equal. That means this side is equal to this side. And right angle triangle means one of the angles is 90 degrees. So that means this side is equal to this side, and two angles are equal. So if one of the angle is 90 degree and two sides are equal, that means the remaining angles are 45 degrees. So this is 45 degree. This is also 45 degree. So we can choose any unit. Someone may choose 1 unit, another person may choose 2 units, another person may choose 3 units. So for me, let me choose 2 units, but you may not necessarily pick 2 units. You may pick any other unit. The most important thing is to know how to get 1 over root 2, whether it is true that it's 1 over root 2 or not true. So let me pick 2 as my unit, 2 units, because if this 2 here will also be 2. And we are going to look this. Let's call it K. Let's find K. So let's find K using Pythagoras theorem. So to find K using Pythagoras theorem, we are going to say K squared is equals to 2 squared plus another 2 squared. That means K squared is equals to 4 plus 4. That means K squared is equals to 8. I need to take the square root of both sides so as to clear this square. So K is now equal to plus or minus the square root of 8. And if you look at 8 very well, it contains 4, and I can take the square root of 4. So K is now equal to plus or minus the square root of 4 times 2. K is now equal to 2 root 2. So I can now delete this K and put 2 root 2. 2 root 2. So since it is 2 root 2, let's find sine 45. You may consider this or this. They are all the same. You can see they are all 45 degree. So sine 45 degree. Don't forget, we have something like SOHCAHTOA, which is mathematically approved. SOHCAHTOA. This S stands for sine theta or sine alpha. It depends on the angle or the variable given. Sine is the ratio of opposite to hypotenuse. Cos is the ratio of adjacent to hypotenuse. Tan is the ratio of opposite to adjacent. So we are now going to consider sine first. So sine theta, which is our theta in this case is 45, is equal to opposite. Our opposite to 45 degree to the angle in question is 2, all over hypotenuse is the longest side, which is 2 root 2. 2 root 2. So sine 45 degrees is equals to this 2 will go with this to remain 1 over square root of 2, we can see that sin 45 is 1 over square root of 2. So let's go for cos 45. 45 degrees is cos is the ratio of adjacent to the angle in question, which is this 2 over hypotenuse, which is the longest side, of 2 over root 2. So cos 45 degrees is now equals to this 2 will go with this 2, remain 1 over root 2. So we can see that cos 45 is the same thing as 1 over root 2. So let's see tan 45 degrees is equal to, tan is the ratio of opposite. What is opposite? This is 2 over what is adjacent. Opposite to adjacent, we've gotten our opposite, remain adjacent, 2. So 2. So tan 45 degree is equals to 2 divided by 2 is actually 1. So we can see that tan 45 is 1, sin 45 and cos 45 is 1 over root 2. This is all I have for you for today, my viewers. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that tomorrow I upload another one. Next tomorrow I will upload and I will continue to upload more exciting videos.